Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can get unlimited diamonds for Rent Please Landlord Simulator. So as you can see, I've got the Rent Please Plus Plus modded version of this game in which I can get unlimited diamonds for this game. This method is working for Android and iOS devices. I've got here an iPhone, but don't worry if you have an Android devices. You can also get this mod to your Android devices and get unlimited diamonds for the Rent Please Landlord Simulator. Very easy. So right now I will show you how the mod works, and later I will uninstall this game and I will download it again for my iPhone to show you the whole process of downloading this awesome mod. So right now let's check the game. As you can see, I've got a lot of diamonds already, but if I need to add more, all I need to do is to click on here, and as you can see, each click gets me 10k of diamonds. Really easy. So I can keep clicking to get more and more gems, diamonds. So as you can see, it is Rent Please Plus Plus, it's special modded version of the game in which you can get unlimited diamonds for this game. So right now I will close this game, I will uninstall it. Let me do this. Okay, it's done. So to get this mod you need to go to your browser, go to this awesome website appisland.club and find here the Rent Please modded version. So click on here, select your platform. If you are on Android, click Android. I am on iOS, I have an iPhone, so I will click right here. And the process of downloading this awesome mod is started right now. Okay, so as you can see, downloading the package installer for my device. So let's wait. Installation progress. As you can see, now it is installed on my device, so let's check it. And as you can see, Rent Please installed on my device, Rent Please Plus Plus modded version on my device, on my iPhone. So I hope you like it, I hope you like this video. So subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and bye.